Oh god, oh god, oh god. Hey, what's up guys? Aadi Patni here, and this is the Xbox Series X. This is Microsoft's latest and greatest gaming console. Let's unbox it and see how it is. So on this side of the box it says power your dreams. Over here we have the Xbox. Over here we have some things written. I'll just show you that. And over here we have the X series written, and it has 1 terabyte of storage, and we have the controller and the console. So in this gaming console, this Xbox Series X, we get 4K gaming up to 120 FPS. We get up to 8K high dynamic range. We get Xbox Velocity architecture. We get 1 terabyte solid state drive. We get variable refresh rate, and we get 4K Blu-ray player. Let's unbox this console now. So Microsoft provides us with these pull tabs. They're helpful. I think we get 4 of them. Yep. Whoa! We get the console over here. It says power your dreams. And we also get some accessories. And we get this additional support. Let's keep the box here. And let's see the accessories. We get this. We get an HDMI cable. It's an ultra high speed one, basically to support the features of this Xbox, like the 8K high dynamic range and all of that. And we get some paperwork over here. And this is the controller. This is the controller. It's good. Oh wait, I forgot to tell you. We also get 2 cells in this. Yeah, 2 cells for the controller. Let's keep everything aside for now and see the controller and the console. Let's unwrap the console first. It says power your dreams over here as well. The console is pretty heavy. Oh wow, it looks amazing. If we talk about the design of the controller, it feels pretty familiar with a little bit of changes. On the R2 and L2 buttons we get some texture, a little bit. The controllers are a little thin, that's what I feel, and it's black, it's the same. And we get a USB-C on the top, which is good. Yeah. So one more advantage we have on this console, the Xbox Series X, over the Xbox Series S, is that this console has a CD player, whereas this doesn't. And just tell me in the comment section below if you want the review of this console as well. And pretty soon I'm getting the review of this. So subscribe to the channel to see those videos and many more. So if we talk about the ports and buttons on this console, we get 2 USB-A ports, we get some storage expansion port over here, but this is really expensive. And we also get a HDMI out port over here, and we get a Ethernet port over here, and a power source adapter over here. This thing looks more like a PC than a console. So if we talk about the design, it's pretty good. It's black, everything. It looks really good. And on the top we have a little bit of green. I'll just show you that. This green thing looks pretty impressive. You can see that. That's all for today. I'll be giving you the full review of this Xbox Series X with gameplay. And just tell me in the comment section below if you want the review of the Xbox Series X. I'll give you that as well. Don't forget to give a subscribe to the channel. It's not that difficult and it'll be amazing. This is Aadi and I'm signing out.